Hi, I'm Jenny. This is the Android Basics tutorial series, and the next application that we're going to make, which is our second application, is the to-do list app. So we're going to learn some really key features for app development in this part of the series. We're going to learn how to add a Recyclerview to our app. So I'm just going to demo the app that we're going to make. So it's a very simple to-do list application where we've got an edit text field at the top here, an add button, and a Recyclerview below it. So what happens is when I add an action to my list view, it gets added to my to-do list when I click add. Equally, when I click tick that I've done one of these tasks, it will get removed from the list. Okay, so that's the application that we're going to make. The first thing we need to do is create a project in Android Studio.